Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Need for Speed Unbound Online. To begin your online journey, simply navigate to the main menu after completing the game's initial prologue. From there, select the Lakeshore Online option. This dedicated mode allows you to connect with a vibrant community of racers, participate in thrilling events, and showcase your unique style across the city. It's the primary way to experience multiplayer action. To enter Lakeshore Online, first ensure you have completed the brief single-player prologue. Once that is done, return to the main menu. You will see the clear option to select Lakeshore Online. Choosing this will seamlessly transition you into the shared open world, where you can immediately begin exploring and joining events. Remember, your online progression, including your garage and cache, is distinct from your single-player campaign. Once in Lakeshore Online, a wealth of activities awaits. You can join diverse playlists, featuring street races, speed runs, and other competitive events against up to 16 players. Winning these events and completing daily challenges will earn you valuable cash and reputation points. Use your hard-earned currency to acquire new, powerful vehicles and apply hundreds of customization options, from body kits to unique wraps, making your ride truly one of a kind. Connecting with other players is a core part of the online experience. You can easily invite up to 3 friends to form a crew and tackle events together, or join public lobbies to race against a global community of drivers. Utilize the in-game chat to communicate strategies or simply socialize. The open world is designed for dynamic interactions, offering endless opportunities to challenge rivals and forge new alliances across Lakeshore City.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.